at the garden of Mr. and Mrs. Gardiner Garrard in beautiful Green Island Hills. Enjoy! Situated within the tree-lined streets of Green Island Hills, the home of Nora and Gardiner Garrard is a tranquil retreat where architecture and nature exist in perfect harmony. Built in November of 2008 by Johnny Cargill of Columbus, the house sits gracefully atop a gentle slope designed to embrace both its natural surrounding and its owner's deep love for the outdoors. But the heart of this home isn't just within its walls. It's the garden that stretches beyond the kitchen window, a living canvas that brings daily joy to its devoted caretaker. Nora's garden is more than a picturesque scene. It's a living testament to her care, patience, and joy in the natural world. Whether admired from the kitchen window or experienced up close with a pair of gardening gloves, it stands as a true sanctuary in every sense of the word. Among her favorite features are the blueberries and muscadines that thrive in the warm Georgia sun. I love every part of my garden, she admits, but there's something special about picking a sun-warmed blueberry right off the bush or seeing the muscadines come in late summer. It's a joy that never gets old. But it's Nora herself who brings the garden to life each day. Whether she's planting new perennials or harvesting ripe fruit, she finds a deep sense of calm in the work. It's incredibly relaxing, she says. There's nothing like getting your hands in the dirt. It's grounding. It reminds me to slow down and just be present. For Nora, the garden is more than just a beautiful backdrop. It's my happy place, she says. I can stand at my kitchen window with a cup of coffee and just feel at peace looking out at it. Every season brings something new. From vibrant spring blooms to the lush greens of summer, the landscape is a reflection of both thoughtful design and a personal touch. The original landscape architecture was envisioned by Ben Page, a nationally recognized name in the field with more than 4 decades of experience. A Tennessee native, Page grew up roaming the farms of his grandparents and great-grandparents, learning firsthand the rhythms of the land and developing a lifelong passion for horticulture and natural systems. That early connection to the soil is evident in the elegant, flowing layout he created for the Garrard property, one that feels both cultivated and wild, structured yet free. Today, the garden flourishes under the expert guidance of Missy Upchurch, of Chattahoochee Gardens, who provides ongoing landscape planning services and helps Nora refine her vision year after year.